Are you a parent-to-be, or hoping to reach parents with your e-commerce shop? Today's video is all about how parents are using Pinterest. Hi, I'm Vanessa Kynes. I'm a Pinterest marketing strategist for creative small businesses. I help creative small businesses craft traffic-generating Pinterest marketing strategies. Today's video is all about how parents are using Pinterest to discover new ideas and to make purchases. Pinterest is the first stop for parents. In fact, 40% of US parents are using Pinterest, and 52% of parents-to-be are exploring and trying to discover new ideas on Pinterest. Now, if you're an e-commerce shop or your ideal audience that you want to speak to are parents, Pinterest is the perfect place to make an investment of time and energy. If you're like me, I'm a mom to 3 small children, and I absolutely use Pinterest in my everyday life. Whether it's planning for birthday parties, nursery decor, or even new purchases to make. In fact, 62% of parents made a purchase because of a product they discovered on Pinterest. With over 200 million users, Pinterest has a powerful presence for parents. It's a great way to explore new ideas and new products to problems that they maybe didn't know that they had. If you're looking to reach parents as your ideal audience, then I highly encourage you to explore and use Pinterest to be able to deliver and inspire people with your products. If you're looking to get started on Pinterest marketing strategies, I have a free startup guide that you can get by subscribing to my email, or you can subscribe to my YouTube page where you can get more Pinterest marketing strategies. Thank you.